Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, we will understand how Tally Prime supports work from home. Let us look at a few scenarios to see how Tally Prime helps you to work from anywhere, anytime. Scenario 1. You have a single user edition and want to access the license from a system at home. Also, you want to work on your company data. In this case, you can reactivate your license in the laptop directly and the license will be active. However, this will remove the license from previous machine where it was active. Once license is reactivated, you may restore data from a backup file and configure the data path. Let us see how we can restore the backup and configure the data path to start working. Isn't that super easy? Let us now move to the second scenario. Scenario 2. You have a single user edition or a multi-user edition and have reactivated the license on home laptop. You want to allow a remote user to access the same license and work on data. Let us now understand how this can be configured. We have remote access feature which will allow remote user to access the data along with the license. In this case, you may configure remote users Tally.net ID in company data to access it from anywhere, anytime. Before you configure, please ensure Tally software subscription is valid and remote user is having access to internet. The remote user access is limited to 1 in case of single user and 10 in case of multi-user. Scenario 3. You have a multi-user license and currently active in Office machine. Multiple remote users wants to access the same license and data available in Office machine. We support hosting of Tally license on any virtual environments which provides desktop or application-based virtualization facility. For example, you may use AWS as cloud server, Windows Remote Desktop, etc. If you're already having a virtual setup available with you, you may host the Tally application and data to access centrally or create remote users to the virtual setup access. In single user scenario, virtual user is limited to 1 user, and in case of multi-user, it is limited to 10. In case of multi-user, if the number of users exceeds 10, then additional users will be charged extra per month. You may reach out to your partner for more details. Scenario 4. You have a single user edition or a multi-user edition and have reactivated the license on home laptop. You want to allow a remote user who wants to view only reports in company data. Tally has browser reports feature which will allow a Tally Net user to access the connected company data anytime, anywhere. This facilitates user to access and view allowed reports by a data administrator. Remote user can access the reports from devices like phone, tablet, or a laptop. Before you configure, please ensure Tally software subscription is valid. Let us see how the browser reports can be configured. As demonstrated in these scenarios, Tally Prime offers different features to help you work from home and enjoy the benefits of Tally Prime seamlessly. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.